Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your name in Brawl Stars. To change your name in Brawl Stars, first of all, launch the game on your mobile device, and once you're inside this page, tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now this will open up your profile page. Tap on your name in the profile section and it says that you'll only get one free name change. Make sure to use it wisely as future name changes will cost you gems. So in order to go ahead and try your first free name change, tap the free button. Enter the new name you'd like to change to and then click on continue. Now you'll need to re-enter your new name once again to confirm, and once you are done, you will be able to change your name right away. If you ever want to change your name on Brawl Stars, you will need to spend gems. So that is how you can easily change your name in Brawl Stars mobile game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.